Hello, my name is Jackson Suluwale, a biology teacher. Welcome to ETETA program with the collaboration to PXL International. Today you're going to observe on how to attempt the questions, national examination questions from 4. The question which you're going to ask is question number 15, NECTA 2020. The question is that the human skeleton serves several functions in the body. With one example in each case, explain 4 functions of the human skeleton. The introduction that we are going to see what the idea or what the meaning of skeleton. Skeleton is the structure in animal that provides mechanical support for the body, protection for internal organs, and the framework of the entering the muscles. The mainly human skeleton are divided into 2: the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. Now let us go to the key point the key point of the question is the function of the human skeleton. Now the function of the human skeleton is as follows. One, we can talk about the support that is skeleton can support. Skeleton provides a rigid framework which support the softer parts of the body, e.g. attachment of the muscles and the body organs. So that the function number 1 is to support, that is skeleton, human skeleton can be supporting, tends to provide the framework which is supporting the softer parts and the attachment of the muscles. The function number 2 is the locomotion. That is locomotion. A skeleton enables the organism to move from one place to another place. So they have the limbs. When you talk about the limbs, it means that the forelimbs and the hind limbs, which helps the organism to move from one place to another place. Another function is the protection. That skeleton, human skeleton, can perform the function termed as the protection. It tends to protect, the skeleton protects the delicate internal organs. You know that the human beings have the delicate internal organs. For instance, in the skull, in the skeleton, it protects the brain, so that the brain is confined with the skeleton, which is known as the skull. Another functional is the formation of the blood cells. The formation of the blood cells. We know that within our body, the blood cells are manufactured, and then normally we have the red blood cells and the white blood cells. The red blood cells are manufactured in the bone marrows, and also the white blood cells are manufactured in the bone marrows. The red blood cells are special for transportation of oxygen in the body, and the white blood cells are most important for fighting against the pathogens. So the skeleton, in case of the blood formation, it helps to make sure that the red blood cells are manufactured in a good number in our body, and also the white blood cells, they are available so that for defensive of the body. According to the questions, was needed only 4 functions, but you have an extra which you can add also. So extra, the human skeleton also gives the shape of the organism. It gives the shape of the organism. The framework that the skeleton gives the animal definite shape, e.g. the skull. If you see the skull, the chest, so that you can find that it gives a specific shape of the organism or of an individual. So those are another functions, means that gives the shape of the organism. And also it stores minerals. It stores the minerals such as the calcium and the phosphorus. So that know that the calcium and the phosphorus are very important in our body for bone formation or strengthening of the bones, and also the teeth. So this calcium and the phosphorus normally are stored in our bones, and also the mineral salts, which also takes place in the in our body, also can be stored in the in our bodies, particularly in the bones. Yeah. So this is how you can be briefly towards precise to the points when you answer the questions concerning the human skeleton, the function of the human skeleton. You have mentioned those there are basically five or six basically functions of the human skeleton, as we have discussed, so that when you prepare to another lesson, I would like to thank you for you listening this presentation, and also I warmly welcome you to the next session or the next presentation. Thank you very much.